All right, in this video, we're gonna talk about this new app, Moonshot, which you can use to trade meme coins. I'm gonna tell you why you might wanna use it. I'm gonna give some pros and cons because I don't actually think it's incredible for everybody, and there's definitely some people that shouldn't use it. And we're gonna talk about whether or not you can actually earn money by using it. So for starters, what actually is Moonshot? It is an app. You can use it on your phone. There's no actual app that you can use on a browser. And basically the way that it works is once you put money onto the app, you can scroll through or search for different meme coins and you can easily trade them with a couple clicks of a button. It's got all the big Solana meme coins on it. They've also started adding integrations for meme coins on other chains as well, including Base, for example. And I imagine they'll just continue expanding until all of the meme coins are on here. Now, before I walk through how it actually works, let's just discuss why you might, in theory, want to use this. First of all, if you're interested in trading meme coins, of course, there is that. And I would say just as a general review of this app, it's very beginner friendly. It works easily on the phone and you just have to click a couple of buttons. However, the biggest downside of this app is for sure the costs. And if we look at this right here, the fees on the platform, they charge a 2.5% fee on swaps below $250. And that's with a minimum, by the way, of 40 cents per trade. And on anything above $250, they charge a 1% fee. So while it is super beginner friendly and easy to use on the phone, that is quite expensive, especially if you compared it to, for example, making swaps on Jupiter. Swaps on Jupiter have a fee of 0.1%. So significantly less. On the other hand, I do see why some people actually use this app because of the ease of use and because they've kind of gamified it. Anyways, aside from the functionality of actually trading meme coins, the other reason why you might want to use an application like this is because there has been some speculation that there will be airdrops associated with it. For starters, it's possible that Moonshot themselves could drop a token. If so, of course, users will be happy. But then there's also some speculation that other tokens will drop to users of Moonshot. And one example of that, where is it, is that apparently for the latest airdrop of Pengu tokens from the Pudgy Penguins ecosystem, they have said that potential recipients of that would include users of the Moonshot application. So those are the two main reasons or benefits to use the app: trade meme coins easily and potentially qualify for different airdrops. Now, in terms of how it actually works, it's a very simple app. You can click on the holdings button here. You can track how much you have and you can deposit assets by clicking on the deposit button. There's options to use things like Apple Pay, or you can just transfer from crypto, copy the wallet address here for USDC, and then simply send money to the app that way. Now, if you make deposits with Apple Pay or a credit card, something like that, I do believe there's additional fees on top of that. So the best way would be to transfer assets in the form of crypto to the app. Then the process for withdrawing is the same. You just hit withdraw and then select which method you want to withdraw it to. So that's how you get money on and off the platform. You can track how much total you have by just clicking on the holdings button here, and it will show all of the meme coins that you've purchased. Now, I cleared out my account for this tutorial because I was just messing around with a bunch of random stuff as well anyways. But if we click here on home, this is where you can actually trade these tokens. So you can just scroll through the list to see what's trending, or you can click on the search tab and look for something specific. You can search for new meme coins. You can search for different types of animals, or of course there's the AI trend. And once you actually select something that you're interested in buying, you just click on it, and then just like that, you can hit the buy button, choose how much you want to purchase. So let's say I'm going to buy $10 worth of Bully, swipe, and you're done. Now, once you actually have a balance of a token, the option to sell it will pop up when you select the token. And if I go back to my holdings page here, I can scroll down, see the Bully tokens that I have. And as you can see, yeah, they did take the fee there, the 40-cent fee off of that. And either there was a little bit of slippage or the price has already gone down. So the $10 that I put into it is now worth $9.50. So you do have to be careful if you're trading on this app because yeah, you can get wrecked on fees unless you're doing well. Other than that, I don't have much to say. I would say that overall, this is a reasonable app for either beginners or people that are specifically using it to try to farm the airdrop or airdrops within the ecosystem. However, if you're already an expert meme coiner, definitely using Moonshot doesn't make sense. You're better off just trading on, Jupiter or Raydium or any other DEX on Solana. So yeah, hopefully you find this little tutorial helpful, and hopefully we get some airdrops from using this platform in the new year. Thanks for watching and have a great day.